Many Square Project Part 2, Project Development Process, Step 16. So we made more trouble for ourselves with set vertices for next board square. Oh, but I found something cool to show you guys. If you go down to the method definition and highlight the name of the method, you can go into refactor, change method parameters, and and let's just verify which parameters we want to change here. So X and Y are floats and W is a float, right? So X, W, and Y, we want all those guys to be floats. So okay, so I'm highlighting this. I'm going to refactor, change method parameters, and here's my X, so I'm going to change it from int to float. I'm going to change the W from int to float, and I'm going to change the Y from int to float. And that's it. So let's see. Yeah, so I have. So here's my preview. Is set vertices for next board square. Float X, int I, float W. Oh wait, Y I want. Oh, it didn't do Y yet. Okay, there. Okay. So float X, int I, float W, float Y, int J. So I and J are the only ones that are ints because those are our column and row numbers. Alright, so let's refactor. Oh, old parameter values of type int cannot be assigned to float. The source may not compile after refactor. Well, let's see what happens. Refactor it anyway. And hey, we're happy, okay? So I guess, yeah, you gotta be kind of careful about when you're doing that. But what's cool about that is it did the whole step for us. Anytime you can get the something in the refactor menu to do the step for you is probably going to be a good thing because it just reduces, any probability of errors and stuff. But so we could have done that with the checker step too. That's pretty awesome. But now you know how to do that. I'm going to hit a carriage return here. I like to keep everything to the left of the red line. That's like column 80 about. So, but anywho, let's see. That should be working for us. And what happens when we run that? Sweet. And look at we're indented a little bit here, right? As we want it to be. So let's see. Oh, running the program is actually the next step. So we'll talk about that. What we see when we run a program in the next step.